Hi everybody, how are you doing? I have some unbelievably exciting news about the Pinkest Pink. This stuff is an even pinker pink than the previous Pinkest Pink. This stuff is so potent and so pink, it is a pink that you cannot possibly perceive. It's so pink that this camera can't capture it and your screen can't show you it.
Cue Anish Kapoor.
So when the rich guy snatches up the best materials and makes them exclusive to himself, he's tapping into an issue that's big in the art world: privilege.
Does he feel he needs to have exclusive rights over a colour?
He waltzes in and somehow makes a deal with the creators of Vantablack that he is the only artist in the whole world allowed to use Vantablack.
I never thought I'd end up sharing my colours with everybody. I was just making them for myself, for my shows. And then when everybody started complaining about Kapoor's exclusive ownership of Vantablack, it seemed like a really cool project to put my Pinkest Pink up on the internet as a bit of a joke and make a point. I never expected it to go as viral as it did.
Semple was one of the artists aggravated by Kapoor's snatching of the black, and so he decided to invent his own radically new paint, the Pinkest Pink.
The Pinkest Pink.
As the Pinkest Pink.
The world's Pinkest Pink.
You're not seeing this pink, not properly. This camera can't capture it, YouTube can't store it, and your screen can't display it.
That is the Pinkest Pink.
That is the world's biggest hubba bubba.
And that's what he calls it, the world's Pinkest Pink.
It is ridiculously pink.
It is an incredibly saturated, hot pink.
He made it beyond vibrant, very affordable, and available to any artist in the world.
Really, literally, the whole world could enjoy his ultra-fluorescent Pinkest Pink.
Except Anish Kapoor.
I really don't want him to get his hands on this.
#Share the Black accompanied posts of support for Semple, and the Pinkest Pink began flying off the shelves.
It brought us lot together as a community and it enabled us to work together to make some incredible art materials that artists have never had before so that we can express ourselves in new ways, and that is amazing. We've managed to develop so many exciting things, support one another, see each other's work, and take a stand against other colour criminals, not just Kapoor, but DuPont and T-Mobile and Inktober, etc, etc, etc. The list goes on, and that's been a really, really beautiful thing.
Everything was going great until December 23rd, 2016.
Anish Kapoor did get hold of some, and he painted his middle finger with this Pinkest Pink.
Because shortly after, Anish Kapoor posts an Instagram picture of his middle finger dipped in the powder of Pinkest Pink.
Kapoor has retaliated against a ban that prevents him from buying the world's pinkest paint by acquiring it illegally.
I can't really tell you how it felt. It was just diabolical. It was gut-wrenching. All that work and the whole movement was just invalidated in one moment when he dipped his finger in it. Our enemy had the same Pinkest Pink as us. He still had the upper hand. He had the Pinkest Pink and he had Vantablack. So since then, all I've wanted to do was make us all an even pinker pink than the previous Pinkest Pink that Kapoor got his paws on. There's just one thing, we need to take security really, really seriously this time. We can't risk this stuff falling into the hands of Anish Kapoor again. So as you come through the website, you will have to agree to the terms of service, which is simply...
On the website, there is a box that you must check.
Testifying that you are not Anish Kapoor. It says here you are not Anish Kapoor.
You were in no way affiliated to Anish Kapoor.
You are not purchasing this item on behalf of Anish Kapoor or an associate of Anish Kapoor.
To the best of your knowledge, information, and belief,
This paint will not make its way into the hands of Anish Kapoor.
I can't show you it on the screen. I wish I could. It just doesn't capture how crazy bright this is. And the last Pinkest Pink was good. Like, nobody complained that the previous Pinkest Pink wasn't pink enough. It was really, really pink. And compared to the previous Pinkest Pink, it's unbelievably pink. It's the pinkest thing that I've ever seen. It is by far the pinkest pink on the planet at this point in time. So if you'd like to use the Pinkest Pink in your next project, you can click below and order it. As always, it's on a not-for-profit basis, just like all our art materials. It's £4.50, which is what it costs to make. use it in your work, and please share what you make using the hashtag #ShareTheBlack. Copy me and I'd love to see what you get up to with it. Thank you so much for the support. I love you so much. Enjoy the new Pinker Than Pink, Pinkest Pink, and let me know how you get on. Love you. Bye.